can smell it, nice fresh air, for real man, nice greenery. So cause you don't know where you get whole rain around here, Then was the countryside going pretty and clear and smell nice and fresh, and you're gonna hear the birds, giving thanks and praises for beautiful sunny cool morning. So me down here they go and stroll out, show you a little thing around here. Cause you don't know a thing go. Maybe a Salt Spring now, enter any crossroad, heading towards the part of Green Island, So just go give you one or two shots of the spring and stuff, So coming back now, heading back home right now. So you don't know the things that catch at the Salt Spring. Right? The puppy nearly get me down on my feet. Yeah, man.